Hi everybody, it's Lori from Dee's, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute small heart angel swag. This is so sweet. You're going to start out with your piece of greenery, and of course we're going to include the twist tie. So we're going to go ahead and attach our twist tie to this piece of greenery. Make our little loop for our hanger. I'm just going to hook that right up there. So next we have this beautiful stem that has the pine cones, the eucalyptus, the cedar. It's just really pretty. It has some little wired sticks mixed in, and I just love the coloring of this light minty turquoise color. So we're going to take this and we're just going to add this right on top of our swag. So our swag is basically just acting as a base that we can attach everything into. And you're going to take your greenery from your swag and just twist this around to hold everything into the swag. So a couple little twists and you've got that attached all nice and neat. So next, your kit is going to have this beautiful mint and white ribbon. So I'm going to start out with the mint. It has a little bit of silver in it. Of course, it's wired, and it's a beautiful color. So just leave a little tail, twist, pinch and gather. And then we're going to take this really pretty, I guess they would call this opalescent white. And again, it is a beautiful ribbon too. And of course, it's wired. And we're just going to add 2 loops of that in here and just make a simple bow. And we're going to take our wire and wire our bow off. Pull that nice and tight. And then we're just going to attach that right up here to the top of our swag piece. And just wire that right on. Pull it all the way around everything and then just cinch it nice and tight so it stays nice and snug on your swag. And of course, we're going to go in and trim our tails. What I love about this is this would be great to put on a door at a nursing home or just any small space in your home for those who love angels. This is just a really nice, fun piece. So next, you'll be able to choose which angel you like. This one that I have here is the one that says peace. There's peace, joy, and belief, and they're all just as pretty as the next one. And we're just going to go in here and hook this. You can hook it on your pine cone, or you can wire it. You might want to wire it if it's going to get moved around a lot. And I'm just going to fluff my greenery up around this. Kind of cover up that white stem that's in there. And last but not least, we have this beautiful little white frosted hydrangea pick. It has a little bit of boxwood and these cute little berries. And I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom of my stem. And we're just going to put that right up in here. And how cute is that? So sweet, simple, and easy to make. This would make a great gift, or again, like I said, assisted living, nursing home, anybody who loves angels. This is the perfect idea for them. You can find these at shopdeeslouisville.com. Thanks.